Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, The Bumblebee. Recently, I received a question about the KBS Bread Machine. How do I cancel the chosen type? Example, I pressed start accidentally and it's on number 2 for sweet bread, but I'm making plain bread. I can't get it to change the number. I unplugged it for 30 minutes and still could not reset it. Help! Well, first, thank you for your question. Today my video is to show you how to change the menu number if you accidentally press start button. Alright, let's say I have menu 4 for French bread that I accidentally pressed start. What you're gonna do is press stop button to stop the process. Just noted that no need to unplug the power. Then you press and hold stop button for 3 seconds. KBS Bread Machine will reset back to menu 1. Bingo! Now you can press menu button again and set to the menu number that you want. Then you press stop button to begin. Problem solved. Okay. If you guys think this video is helpful, please give me a thumb up and hit that subscribe button to watch some more of my videos. Thanks for watching.